Hey guys, good morning. There's a reason why I don't really like trading EV companies that are not Tesla, and especially ones that do not have a lot of really good production. And it's because Lucid, for example, even though it's rallying hard, right? It basically did a full 100% in like 2 months, right? Which is fantastic. But yesterday after hours, Lucid actually released that they're going to be producing about 20,000 cars for the full year of 2022. And keep in mind, this is like a $70 billion company. Yeah, the market cap's like 72 billion, which is absolutely insane. Um, and they completely missed on their earnings also on Q3, which is ridiculous, right? And then the thing is, that's why I keep out of these stocks. No, keep note that there's a strong chance that it'll keep rallying up, right? Like I would not be surprised if it keeps going up to previous all-time highs, but it's one of those things where I'm like, it's there's too much risk involved, right? Especially with a company that's not really producing all that much. It's 20,000 cars, man. Like for reference point, GM or VW does 20,000 cars a day. You know what I mean? And Lucid Group has a market cap of 70 plus $billion, which is absolutely insane to me. And I get it, right? You have Tesla, and everybody's like, oh, this is possibly going to be the next Tesla. And then Rivian comes in, oh, this is possibly going to be the next Tesla, whatever, right? Which is fine. But it's one of those things where I'm just kind of like, damn, like these guys are not even producing. Their production is horrible, first of all, right? I know some of the cars from Lucid have actually hit um, the streets already. Personally, I like Lucid. I like their cars. I actually think their cars look really fantastic. But I can't. It's hard investing in a company when there's like no production yet, right? And it literally all this would just probably be hype. I would assume that this run up just happened because Tesla ran up, right? And if I had to put my money somewhere, I'd probably just put it in Tesla. This would probably be just be like swings for me, right? I think Lucid is great, but for me, it'd probably just be swings of where where I think it's going. And if you got in like at 17, $20, dude, I can't complain. You already made 100%, which is fantastic. The crazy part is that yesterday after hours they actually released the news that they would only produce 20K cars for next year, but you're up, right? You're up like $3, which is like another almost like 8%, which is insane to me, right? And I think like I said, I think Lucid's great. I like the car, but as far as like comparison wise and where their market cap stands, it's one of those things where I'm like, you know what, like this is I just can't, right? I'd rather put my money in Tesla that's already a proven company and that's already already has production of a crap ton of cars. But again, Lucid, I would definitely swing this just to have like like just to make money off of it. But as far as like an investment, like I would probably not put like a bunch of money. I mean, you would have to really like Lucid in order for you to drop a bunch of money on it, right? And if I saw Lucid back here at like $18 and I saw their yearly chart, I'd probably be like, you know what? It's probably time to buy. It's probably time to buy some Lucid, right? I would probably bought like a like 20. I would have probably bought like a 25 because at least you have that pop and you have that confirmation that it's running up again. I would have probably bought somewhere between 24 25, like right here, which would have been great. I would have almost seen a full 100% gain. But again, Lucid, 20,000 cars for production for next year out of a 72 billion market cap company seems kind of crazy to me, man. But I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Would not be surprised if Lucid keeps running up, though. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.